Let's see how we can blend two images in Canva, in free Canva. On the Canva homepage, let's click social media, let it be Facebook and Facebook post. Now we need to choose two photos. Let's go to Elements, and here we can search for photo. For example, I am entering couple embracing at sunset and choose photos. If you use free Canva, just choose photos without a crown. I'm choosing this one photo. Click on photo. Now let's go to the elements and enter sunset or other photo. Choose photos, and now you can choose any photo. I'm choosing this one photo. Click on the photo. Now we have two photos. Let's go to the left side menu and apps and enter blend into the search field. And let's choose blend image app. Click on it. Now we see bottom layer and top layer. On the bottom layer, we can select photo. I'm choosing this one photo and click use selected image. On the top layer, I'm choosing sunset. Choose sunset photo and click use selected image. Now we see how it looks. On the blend mode, let's choose overlay. Now we can go to adjust top layer, and here we can adjust. For example, we can adjust scale of the photo, and we can adjust horizontal offset. Now we can add a page, and we can add our new blended photo to design. Click add to design. And here you go. We have our blended photo. We can make it bigger, adjust position, and when it suits us, we can go to share button, click download, choose file type PNG, choose select pages. I'm choosing current page, click done, and download. And our photo will upload into our downloads folder. Here you go. Here you go. Now we can try with other photo. Let's go to elements and we can choose any photo. For example, I'm choosing man in black shirt looking serious. Click on the photo. Now my other photo is happy woman traveling. I am clicking on the photo. You can search by entering the keyword into the search field. For example, you can enter man in black shirt looking serious and click photos, and you can search any photo. Okay, now let's go to the blend image, and now we need to clear selections. I'm clicking clear selections, and now let's choose. On the bottom layer, I'm choosing man. Click use selected image. On the top layer, I'm selecting girl and clicking use selected image. Now blend mode is overlay, and I can adjust top layer. Let's go to adjust top layer, and we can adjust scale. We can adjust offset. We can go to top placement and adjust fit, or choose stretch or original. And when it suits us, we can click add to design. So add a page and click add to design. Now right button and set image as a background. Double click and adjust position. When it suits us, we can download our photo. Go to Share button, click Download, file type PNG, select Page, Current Page, click Done, and Download. And here you go. Our photo is in our Downloads folder. I hope you like this quick tutorial. Click like and subscribe my YouTube channel. Click subscribe and see you in the next tutorial. See you!